Hey everyone, my name is Marcus, and I make Twitch tutorial videos to help streamers grow in 2026. In this video, I'm reviewing the 3 best sites to buy real Twitch viewers. I've ranked them from best to least, and yes, FollowersPanda is number 1. Let's jump in. Number 1, FollowersPanda. So first up, and easily my top pick, is FollowersPanda. Pricing is very affordable. It starts around $3 to $5 for smaller viewer packages. They also offer monthly plans, which is great if you stream regularly. My rating for FollowersPanda is 4.8 out of 5. Number 2, Famoid. Next up is Famoid. Famoid is more of a premium service. Pricing starts higher, usually around $10 to $15. So yes, it's more expensive than FollowersPanda. The good part is quality. Viewers stay longer, retention is better, and customer support is solid. My rating for Famoid is 4.3 out of 5. Number 3, MediaMister. At number 3, we have MediaMister. Pricing usually starts around $6 to $8. MediaMister supports multiple platforms, not just Twitch. Delivery speed is decent, but viewer behavior is less natural compared to the top 2. My rating for MediaMister is 4.0 out of 5. If you're buying Twitch viewers in 2026, always remember, avoid instant spikes, use gradual delivery, combine it with real content. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe for more Twitch tutorials, and comment which site you want me to review next. I'll see you in the next video.